If you've ever gone to light your barbecue only to find out you've run out of firelighters, or you want to know what else makes a good firelighter that you may have laying around at home, then this video is for you. We're going to be running a test with some firelighters. We're going to be using a couple of store-bought ones. We're going to be using some paper towel, and then as you can see, we're going to be using some chips as well. You might think that's weird, but they actually work really great. So let's go ahead, get them prepared, light them up, and see how long of a burn time we get out of them. All right, so here we've got two store-bought firelighters. We've got like a compressed cardboard and sawdust based one, I believe it is. And then we've got your classic kerosene sort of cube. And then we've got some cheese and bacon balls. So we're gonna stack about 5 of these up. And then we've got some Doritos. Stack a few of them up as well. And then we've got some paper towel. Now I'm gonna use 2 sheets. I'm just going to scrunch it up loosely into a little ball. And then we're going to get some cooking spray, and we're just going to give it a light spray with cooking oil. And that works well too. All right, now let's set our timer, light these up, and see how long of a burn time we get out of them. Now, in my experience, you need at least 60 to 90 seconds to be able to light any briquettes in a chimney starter. These are all looking like they're going to make that mark. Right, so as we can see, the paper towel is starting to burn out, and there it goes. That lasted just over 2 minutes, which is still plenty of time to start a chimney worth of briquettes or charcoal. Right, so the next to go are the Cheetos. They lasted about 2.5 minutes. It shows about 2 minutes 50-ish on the timer, but we did start them about 20 seconds in. As you can see, one didn't completely burn through, so I wonder if we did light it on that side, or if we used a few extra Cheetos, that we might have got a longer burn time out of them. But anyways, let's see what goes next. Alright, and the next to go, lasting almost 4.5 minutes, were the Doritos. Now for 3 corn chips, that is super impressive, and more than enough time to get a chimney worth of briquettes or charcoal started. Alright, and next to go, lasting a little over 6.5 minutes, was our cardboard sawdust compressed type firelighter. Obviously our kerosene one has won this test, so let's see how much longer we get out of this one. So our kerosene based firelighter lasted about 9.5 minutes, which was a clear winner over the others. So there you go, there's a few other options you can use if you've run out of firelighters, or if you've taken your barbecue away and forgotten them. There's obviously heaps of other options and methods out there, so if you've got something you'd like to share, drop it in the comments below. But as for now, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.